Panic, fear, market crash. The moment the stock market dips, people start behaving like it's the end of the world. Portfolio red, sell everything. But wait, should you really panic or this is the best opportunity to make money? Most people panic and sell, but smart investors, they see this as a golden opportunity. They buy when others are fearful, right? That's why today I am going to tell you exactly what to do when the market crashes. Trust me, if you don't listen this video carefully, your portfolio might never recover. What happens when the market crash? Breaking news. The stock market is down by 5%. Investors are in panic mode. Sell everything. It's all over. Sounds familiar, right? Every time the market dips, media houses goes crazy. Red tickets, fear mongering, headlines and panic all over the place. But you know what happens after a panic crash? The market recovers. It has always recovered. In 2008, the market fell by 60%, but those who bought during the crash made insane returns over the next decade. COVID crash, the market dropped like a rock and the boom, a massive bull run followed. The key takeaway, the market rewards those who stay patient. See, this is the cycle of fear and greed. Market crash are the only time people don't want a sale. If your favorite sneakers are at 50% off, you rush to buy them. But when stocks are at discount, you panic and sell. Retail investors behave like this. When the market is high, they say, I should have invested. But when the market is low, they say that I'll wait for the recovery. In short, they never invest at the right time. Big investors, they do the opposite. They buy in the fear and sell in euphoria. As Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. What should you do in a crash? Step 1. Stop checking your portfolio every hour. You don't check your house price every day, do you? Then why panic over stocks daily? Market moves in a cycle. If you have invested in solid companies, hold your nerve. Invest in strong companies. If you believe a stock will be worth more in 5 to 10 years, then a market crash is the best time to buy. Focus on blue chip stocks, strong businesses, and ETFs. Don't time the bottom. You will never catch the absolute bottom, even professionals can't do it. Instead, use systematic investment plan or stagger your investments in phases. Avoid panic selling unless the company is fundamentally broken. Don't exit just because of fear. Remember, a stock only gives you a loss when you sell at a loss. But wait, what if I tell you that some crash are not natural, that some of them manipulated? Big sharks of the market, hedge funds, institutional investors, and news channels and social media, making retail investors panic sell. And guess who is waiting to buy at a dirt cheap prices? Them. So while you are selling your stock at a loss, these big players are picking them up like a buy one get one free sale. And guess what? After a few months, the same media will say stock market recovery, bull run ahead, and then you'll FOMO back into the market at a higher price. Do you know 80% of retail investors lose money in the stock market, and the top 1% of investors, they make money from the 80% who panic sell? The market is a machine designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. The question is, which side are you on? The next time the market crash, you don't be a victim, be a hunter. Buy when others are panic, hold when others sell, and when the market bounce back, you will be the one laughing to the bank account. Moral of the story, stock market crash are not disaster. They are an opportunity. Every crash in history has eventually led to new highs. But the question is, will you be smart enough to take advantage of it or will you join the panic sellers? If this video gave you an helpful insight towards the bear phase of stock market, hit the like button, and for more such powerful packed finance content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, otherwise the next crash might wipe out your money before you even know it. Now tell me in the comments, what's your strategy during a market crash? Do you panic and sell or do you buy more? Let's discuss. Market crash don't make you poor. Your reaction to them does. Choose wisely and thank you so much.